Students, welcome to BioSmart Academy. In today's lecture, I will going to teach you that how you can tackle the CSIR NET exam easily. Many new aspirants who are going to appear the exam for the first time, they don't have any idea about the syllabus, about the question pattern, about the marking scheme. So all these things I will going to discuss in this lecture. So watch this lecture till end. Don't skip at any point. Okay, this is the most important thing. Don't skip this video, because if you watch this lecture till end, then you get a clear idea about the CSIR NET exam. So before I start this video, I just want you to mention that BioSmart Academy is a free YouTube channel where you get all these lectures from the CSIR NET syllabus in free, and within 6 months we are going to cover the most of the important modules of the CSIR NET syllabus. And when you and if you watch all these videos for 6 months in a continuation, then you definitely going to crack the December 2020 CSIR NET exam very easily. So I just want you to mention that subscribe this channel, and and share this channel as much as possible to all those students who are going to appear for the examination, as well as for the new aspirants also. So share this BioSmart Academy channel. And I also want to mention that join the Telegram channel of BioSmart Academy. Just go to the Telegram app, search in the search option, search BioSmart Academy, and join the channel, where you get all the latest notification notes as well as these video links, so that you can easily from that open the link and watch the video. So please remain with BioSmart Academy. So now we are going to discuss about the entire CSIR syllabus of life science, where you can see here that there are 13 modules, and each module contain many topics, many chapters. So for a new aspirant, it was very much difficult to tackle this all these things in a quick manner. So BioSmart Academy is always with you. So share this channel to all your friends and subscribe this channel. So now we are going to discuss the entire syllabus, then we are going to discuss the marking scheme, and also a strategy that how can you clear this exam. So please don't skip the video. In this video I also mentioned the important topics from each modules, as well as I mentioned the books that you should follow. But you should watch all the videos of BioSmart Academy that was published by the BioSmart Academy YouTube channel, where you get all the free lectures. And if you do this, then you should crack the December 2020 CSIR NET exam. So let's start from the module 1. That is, module 1 is molecular and their interaction relevant to biology. Module 2 is cellular organization. Module 3 fundamental process. Module 4 cell communication. Module 5 dev bio. Module 6 system physiology. 7 animal physiology. 8 inheritance biology or genetics. 9 diversity. 10 ecology. 11 evolution. 12 applied biology, and 13 methods in biology. So these are the 13 modules, and we are discussed one by one each module in detail. So first module is, that is module number 1, that is molecules and their interaction relevant to biology. So first of all, I want to mention the book that you should follow for this module, that is Leninger Biochemistry. You should follow this book, Leninger Biochemistry. Okay, Leninger Biochemistry you should follow for this module. Leninger Biochemistry is the best book for this module. Just go for these topics only from this book, and cover all these topics from this book, and you will definitely get a very clear idea about each and every topic. Okay, now secondly, I just want you to mark the most important topics from this module. So the most important topics is composition, structure and function of biomolecules, where you study carbohydrate, lipid, protein, nucleic acid, vitamin, and all these forces, bioenergetics, and the most important is this topic: principles of catalysis, enzyme kinetics, enzyme regulation, mechanism of enzyme catalysis. All this important. Ramachandran plot, secondary structure, domain, motif, conformation of nucleic acid, stability of protein and nucleic acid. So all these topic that I marked in yellow, all these topics are important. So study uh, these all topics from Leninger, and Biosmart Academy is always with you, so you can easily find all these videos on Biosmart Academy within these 6 months. I will upload, we are trying to upload all these videos so that you get free lectures and you can easily qualify this CSI NET exam. Now, module number 2 is cellular organization, that is cell biology. So, in cell biology, first of all, I mentioned a book that you should study, that is Lodish cell biology. Okay, Lodish cell biology you should study, and study all these topics that are mentioned here, not more than that. Okay, and you find all these topics on Biosmart Academy YouTube channel. So I repeatedly tell that all of you to share Biosmart Academy as much as possible and to subscribe Biosmart Academy so that you get all these free lectures. The important topics from this module is this one and this one. Very very important. Okay, you don't need to study this topic, but these four are very important. So study all these four topics from this book only. Okay, Lodish, so that you get a clear idea about this topic. Okay, please study all these topics, and all these topics video will be very soon on Biosmart Academy YouTube channel, Biosmart Academy YouTube channel. Okay, next module is fundamental process, that is the molecular biology, that is the module number, this is the module number 3. In module number 3, this book, the book that you should follow for fundamental process is Watson molecular biology. And in this book you just read out all these topics, not more than that. Okay, only these topics. Okay, this very important, very important, very very important, very important. So all these topics are very important from fundamental process, that is molecular biology, and you should read all these topics from this book, that is Watson. Okay, so please read all these topics. These all topics are very important. I just remind you that all these things you can find in Biosmart Academy YouTube channel. So share this and subscribe. Next is cell communication and cell signaling, that is the module number 4. That is the module number 4. Okay, module number 4. So I want to mention you the name of the book first. You should follow once again Lodish for this module as well. Lodish for this module as well. And please follow these topics only on Lodish. Okay, and this for this you just follow Biosmart Academy YouTube channel. You just follow Biosmart Academy YouTube channel, because this is the part of immunology, and this topic was not there in Lodish. So you just follow Biosmart Academy YouTube channel, where you get all the videos from this immunology portion of the module number 4, cell communication, cell signaling. I already uploaded about 15 to 16 videos from this topic, so please watch all that and share with your friends so that they can also get it. And please subscribe Biosmart Academy. And apart from that, you find all these topics from the Lodish. So please go and study from Lodish, or neither if you don't understand, then please follow Biosmart Academy. Next is developmental biology. First of all, I want to mention the book that you should follow for the next module, that is module number 5, Dev Bio, is Gilbert. Just follow Gilbert, not more than that. You find all the things from Gilbert. Okay, and just read all this topic. Okay, and within few days I also teach developmental biology on Biosmart Academy. So please read all this topic from Gilbert. This topic is very important, so read this topic is very important. And here you can read a few topics. Okay, for example, form axis pattern formation, Drosophila. Okay, amphibia chick, organogenesis, valva formation. Okay, in C elegans, that is Caenorhabditis elegans, islands induction, limb development, all this. So you read all these topics, and these two topic is from plant, that is you can easily find on Tays and Geiger. Okay, now next module, that is module number 6, that is plant physiology. You just read it from the book, that is Tays and Geiger. Okay, Tays and Geiger. Okay, you just follow Tays and Geiger, and this module is very important from examination point of view. You get lots of questions from this module: nitrogen metabolism, plant hormones, sensor photobiology, solute transport, secondary metabolites, photosynthesis, respiration, photorespiration. We are going to make all videos from all these important topics that I mentioned here. So don't worry, you just follow Biosmart Academy, share this channel. Okay, you get all the free videos from this module. Now next is animal physiology. I just recommend you that please leave this module, because it's a huge module. Don't need to study this module. And if you belongs from physiology department, and you should study this module very well. And if you belong to botany, then you should read all these topics. Okay, because you get benefited from this topic, that because you are from the same background. And just left it out, because don't need to read all the modules, because it's a huge syllabus and you get many questions from a particular module. Okay, so if you want to read, then please read excretory system, because this is very important. Please read nervous system. Okay, very important, nervous system. And please read this part, endocrinology. Just read all these three parts, it's enough. Then our next important module is very important, genetics, that is inheritance biology. Please read genetics from Snodstad and Simmons, first point, and cover all these topics. And the main problem is that mathematical part, I will teach all the mathematical parts on Biosmart Academy or from genetics. You read this concept of gene extension or Mendelian principle, codominance, what is incomplete dominance, gene interaction, pleiotropism, genomic imprinting, phenocopy, linkage, crossing over, sex limited, sex influence. I teach all these. I will going to teach all these things on Biosmart Academy. So subscribe Biosmart Academy. Microbial genetics, I also teach how mathematical problem for microbial genetics, mutation. Okay, human genetics, that is pedigree analysis, structure, numerical alteration, chromosome deletion, duplication, inversion, all these recombination. So you get easily all this on Biosmart Academy YouTube channel. Okay, now next module is diversity of life form. This is the classical part. The students belongs to zoology and botany can follow this. Okay, and for this module you just follow one book, that is Pathfinder. 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 Okay, now next module is ecological principle. For ecological principle, I want to mention you that please read Peter Stilling. Okay, Stilling, Stilling. Please read Stilling. Okay, and read all these topics, because these are very easy topics, very easy. So you can read it out very easily. Okay, please read it out very easily. And I will also cover all these topic. We are going to cover all these topic on Biosmart Academy. So please read out habitat, niche, very important, population ecology, very important, species interaction, community ecology, ecological succession, biogeography, applied ecology, all these are important. Next is evolution and behavior. Read evolution and behavior from Campbell Biology. Okay, a book is there, Campbell Biology. Campbell Biology, very good book, from where you can read this evolution and behavior topic, where you have to read very important population genetics first, and the mathematical problems related to this, evolutionary eras, molecular evolution, concept of neutral evolution, all this very important. Please read it out. Okay, altruism, evolution group, reciprocal altruism, all this is a part of ethology. Please read it out. Okay, so you can find all this topic. So this is for evolution. Module 12, I just mentioned that left this module. From this module, that things that we are going to teach on Biosmart Academy, please read that much only. That is very important, is biosensor, bioremediation, for phytoremediation, and agrobacterium tumefaciens. One topic is there. Please read all this. Don't involve too much on this module. And last is very important module, it is methods in biology. First of all, I want to mention that for methods in biology, you can follow Wilson and Walker. Okay, Wilson and Walker book, very good book. Or if you find out this book very hard, then you can buy Pathfinder. Pathfinder, Molecular Biology, and Biophysics book. Very good, very good books. You can find out easily. Okay, RFLP, RFPD, RFLT, histochemical technique, antibody generation, fish, GISH, ELISA, RIA, Western blot, immunoprecipitation, molecular techniques, molecular cloning, all these topics. There are many topics. Statistical method. Don't just read out microscopy technique. Okay, radio labeling technique. Okay, just read out this. All this. So patch clamp technique, ECG, many things. But the things that I'm going to teach you on Biosmart Academy, those are very important from this module. So read that much only, because Biosmart Academy is a YouTube platform where you get all free lectures, and important one where you get definitely a question from CSI on CSI UGC NET exam. So if you with me, then you can easily crack the December 2020. So share as much as possible, because the more the sharing we got on Biosmart Academy, we got the more the response on Biosmart Academy YouTube channel, the more the videos will be there. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus of life science. It's a huge syllabus, so you have to prepare yourself smartly. Okay, now let's look at the marks distribution. Okay, see, part A, that is belongs to totally general aptitude, where you get reasoning and mathematical, some basic mathematical question. It's a very easy part. From 20 question, you have to attempt only 15, and the correct marks for is 2, and negative marking is 0.5. Part B belongs to life science. Flat question will be there. You should remember all that answers and give the answer quickly. From 50 question, you have to answer only 35. That is attempt only 35. Marks for correct is 2 and negative mark 0.5. And part C is the most important, where you get conceptual based question from all that important modules and all that important topics from important modules, where I mentioned that previously. So where there are total question 75, and you have to attempt just 25 question, but this 25 question going to very tough, and marks is 4 marks for each correct answer. Negative marking also more than part A and part B, it is 1. So total question will be there 145. You have to attempt 75 question, and total marks is 200. Okay, so this is the mathematical way, the marks distribution. Okay, so if you this can be easily I can make easy if you can score 10 marks on part A and 50 marks on part B. Okay, then it gives you 60. And if you score 60 at least on part C, then 60 plus 60, it gives you 120. That is enough for your qualification, 120 marks. So that's a mathematical calculation, and I will make a separate video that how can you attempt all these parts, so you can easily qualify this exam. Okay, so this is all about the CSI NET syllabus. So all the new aspirants get a benefit from this video. Please watch this video end till end, and subscribe to Biosmart Academy and share this channel, because this channel will going to provide the all the free lectures from the entire syllabus of CSI NET, and from important modules as well as for important topics. Okay, so this is all about the CSI NET. So I will definitely say that you will get benefit from this video. Please watch this video till end. So from tomorrow I will again start to upload the videos. Till then, thank you.